the government just released its monthly report tracking inflation, the Consumer Price Index.
CBS News business analyst Jill Schlesinger is here now with the results. Good morning, Jill. What did the June data show?
I'm going to do the wah-wah sign for you guys because the inflation rate actually went up by 2.7% from a year ago. And that is up from the previous reading of 2.4%. The core rate strips out food and energy. That was up by 2.9% from a year ago, just a little bit higher than the previous month. But again, the bad news is that it looks like the inflation rate is now moving in the wrong direction, which is up.
And it's now been 3 years since inflation peaked. I know you're just talking about it continuing to go up. How are Americans absorbing these higher prices?
Look, I'm talking about inflation coming near 3%, and we go back 3 years, so that was 9%. So it's not that bad. But I think that most Americans have been fortunate in that incomes have gone up a lot over the last 3 or 4 or 5 years. And then we also have a booming stock market. That said, look, a lot of Americans have a legitimate gripe about the rising cost of living in this country. Look at 3 big categories: healthcare, housing, cars and trucks. Look at those 3 and you say to yourself, gosh, those are all a lot more expensive now than they were 3, 4, 5 years ago. And I think that is creating a strain on household budgets.
Absolutely. You hear people talking about that. Now, given all of the concern about tariffs and inflation, why has the stock market, as you just mentioned, recovered since April?
Yeah, remember that stocks were down by almost 20% after that Rose Garden announcement by the president in early April. And you know what? Now that we look back, it's crazy, but that 20%, we've reversed that and then some. It looks to me that investors are kind of going to the future, and they're saying, about those tariffs, we don't really think the president's going to put in place the biggest ones. We think there's going to be a delay, maybe even a backing down. Here's a little caveat, gang, just in case you get too excited about looking at your 401k accounts. Don't get too happy, because if those higher tariffs do actually come to fruition, we are going to see the inflation rate rise up, not just to 3%, to 3.5% or 4%. That's going to slow down the economy. That's going to eat into corporate earnings. So I just want to say, I'm not predicting the worst. I'm just saying that we might look back on this period and say, hey, these investors were a little too complacent, a little too optimistic. And that would be a very consistent theme, that investors are often a little too happy and a little too sad at market highs and lows.
All right, Jill, thanks so much on the June inflation report, breaking it down for us. We appreciate you. And if you need more Jill in your life, you can see her regularly on CBS Mornings, always helping us understand.